Hey ladies, here's a really good exercise routine you can add to the end of your weight training session or use as a cardio day exercise. It is high intensity, so it makes for a really great burnout, which is why I recommend to do it at the end of your weight training session. It is also full body, so you can do this on upper body day or lower body day, whichever you feel comfortable with. Just pace yourself and push yourself. So you're gonna start with a plank walkout into a push-up, 2 hop-ins, 3 jump squats, and 4 reverse lunges, and that's 4 total, so 2 each leg. And right back into those plank walkouts into a push-up. Now, making sure that your elbows are pointing back when you push up, your legs are wide when you hop in and do those jump squats. And in those reverse lunges, you want to make sure that front knee is behind that front toe. Don't forget to breathe. Exhale as you do the workout. Exhale as you come up in a push-up. Exhale as you hop in. Exhale as you jump up. And exhale as you come up from your reverse lunge. I hope you guys like this. Leave a comment below. Let me know what you think. As I said, guys, it makes for a really, really good burnout. You're definitely going to feel this, and your heart rate is definitely going to be super high. Push yourself, but also pace yourself. Do not hurt yourself. I hope you enjoy this. Take care.